Hello, it's Brian at the service department. I want to talk a little bit about winter maintenance. So maybe you're putting your new car in the garage and you're getting out the winter beater, or maybe it's just the car you drive all the time. We're going into the cold weather and I want to make sure your heater's working. I want to make sure that your battery's good. Hate to see you out there trying to get this car cleaned off in the snow and you got to jump it with a dead battery, or it's been idling out in the dry for 10 minutes and you still can't defrost the window for heating problems. So let's think about what do we need to do for winter maintenance. You need to stop on in and get a battery test. A little handheld battery tester. It takes me just 5 minutes to let you know the condition of that battery. Can we predict it's going to fail this winter? Do you need to replace the battery to be proactive? Check that heat cooling system. Make sure the radiator is full, that there aren't any contaminants in that coolant. The heater core is flushed out and working properly. So there's a couple things we can look at for winter maintenance. Do it before you have to call the tow truck. That just adds insult to injury. So give me a phone call here at our service department, 608-249-4909. Make an appointment for a winter inspection. Let us take a look at your coolant, your battery, your heater. Make sure everything's going to be trouble-free this winter. I hope to see you in the service department. Have a great day.